Hey guys, Ninja Pig here. Didn't put too much editing into the video, so sorry if it seems a little choppy, but I just kind of wanted to get something uploaded since it's been a while. Hopefully I'll be posting more, kind of turning my bike into a track bike and some more track stuff. So stick around for that one. Hopefully I'll stick to YouTube this time, but thanks for watching and hope you enjoy the video.
Alright guys, I know it's been a while, but we're back here on the YouTube channel. Unfortunately, crashed my bike this past weekend on Memorial Day out at Autobahn Country Club. So you can see the tank's a little rough, tail's kind of bad. Here we bent the subframe. I just low-sided on the turn, and I think one of my frame sliders caught the grass and made the bike go for a tumble. But I'm getting ready to start ripping some stuff off to see how bad the damage is. Obviously, know I need a new tank. Know I need a new rear subframe here. But I know probably some other stuff is damaged, just can't see it yet. But we're gonna go ahead and start tearing her down and see what's going on. All right, so got the gas tank off. Got her sitting over there. Frame and everything looks good. Airbox looks good. I was worried that when the bike landed on the tank, it would have crushed some of the other stuff, but everything looks in line. Good to go up here. Obviously this is still snapped off. Looks like there's just two bolts here and here that pop it off, and then I think this is for a mount or something like that. So I'm gonna try and get this guy off here. I did already order a new one of these, so it's on the way. Unfortunately, a new gas tank OEM is going to be running like $700-800, so I'm trying to find a either a new one or a lightly damaged one on eBay for a lot cheaper. But if I need to, I can't run that one in the meantime. The only downside is I can't run my side fairings on that side because it got like squished like so far down that way. But I'm gonna get that off. Obviously, you can see from this angle, it's a little uneven. Definitely missing some stuff on the right side of the bike. I'm gonna try and get that subframe out, and we'll take a look at her then. So I got a little carried away. I ended up just kind of getting everything off. I was in a groove. I got all the wiring out and unmounted from the belly. I should call the tail pan here. This guy right here. Everything unmounted. I'm still having some trouble getting the key off, but it's mainly a track bike now, so I'm not too worried about that. But obviously, if you look at this fan off. If we look at the old versus the new here, you can definitely tell we're missing some pieces of it. I also got this off, and then we got a new one here. So this. I might try and bend this one back because I'm not missing, like I still got the two bolts so I can bend it back. I should still be able to use it or keep it as a spare if this one gets damaged worse. But we'll see. If not, I can just bend it back and resell it. This one's obviously pretty much garbage since it got pretty messed up. So first we're gonna go ahead and get the new tail pan mounted up under here. I think it's just gonna be easier without putting that subframe piece back on. And then the tedious part is going to be mounting up all the wires again, because there were quite a bit of clips and zip ties that I had put on there, and that had been on there since the factory. So I'm going to get started on that, and I'll kind of show you guys as I go along here. All right, guys and girls, we are going pretty good. Got a lot of this stuff back together so far. Still get a little bit of cable routing to do. Looks like some of the parts from my auto tune sensor here that hooks up to my O2 sensor and power commander popped out, so I just got to pop that guy back in, which shouldn't be too hard. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do about the tail light yet. I plan on going full track bike with this at the end of the year, and then for 2022 anyways. I was hoping to get another summer back on the street with this thing, but I'm not sure if I'm gonna hook the tail light back up yet. I gotta check and make sure that's not damaged anyways. So I'm just gonna kind of leave all this stuff hanging for now. But I got the subframe back up. I got the belly pan back up. I'm just might hook up the battery a different day because it's getting pretty hot out here to check all the wiring and stuff. I'm still waiting on a new gas tank. I actually did pick one up. However, I did find another option that I did buy. So I have a couple of gas tanks to choose from, and I'll show you guys that one once the other one gets here on what I want to do with those. So once I get the gas tank, then I'll hook everything back up and maybe start her up again. The only other thing that I'm thinking about doing, let me get this fan off, is on my exhaust here that hit the ground. It's a little dented on this side, which I don't really care about because you're not going to see that, and looking down the pipe, everything looks good. I'm trying to decide if I want to kind of tape this off and hit it up with some black high-tech spray paint or not. Trying to decide on what I want to do with there. And then the other thing that I'm currently waiting on is my engine mount bolts. One goes here, and then we have another one on this side here. I was unfortunately only able to get this one. The one for the right side of the bike is out of stock on back order. I tried like 3 or 4 different websites, and they're all saying the same thing. So I'm gonna have to figure out something for that in the meantime, because the one that I currently have is bent wherever it is. So I might see if I can get it back in there, just to have something in there if I can't get one for the next time I go out on the track, but we'll see. But making good progress, coming along pretty good. I think I might kind of cap that off for this video. So I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Feel free to leave in the comments any tips, advice that you guys have about doing stuff, or anything you want to see. If you want me to go into more detail on anything like that, feel free to drop in the comments and let me know. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.